In the valley where the river bends, golden grass and whispered winds, mountains rise like ancient friends, garden secrets twilight sends. Mist rolls in like a lullaby, sunbeams dance where echoes lie. Oh, I wander through the valley of light, where castles glow and stars ignite. Found a curio lost in time, wrapped in rhyme and autumn shine. Snow-kissed peaks and amber trees, reflections caught in silent seas, a crystal spire, a gentle breeze, calling hearts with quiet pleas. If you live